Good morning everyone. In this module, we are going to see about matter and materials. The topics are transparent objects, translucent objects, and opaque objects. Now we are going to see about transparent objects. What is transparent objects? The objects that allow the light to pass through them are called as transparent objects. Examples are air, glass and pure water. If you take a glass as an example, when you place a torch before them, it can allow the light to pass through them and it can fully emit the light that is absorbed. Now, translucent objects. The objects which allow some light to pass through them are called as translucent objects. So, we cannot see the objects clearly, but we see them as blurred images through them. The examples of translucent objects are paper soaked in oil, snow, and vegetable oil. In the picture, you can see a butter paper placed before a torch, which emits only a small amount of light when passed through it. Now we are going to see about opaque objects. Opaque objects, that mean the objects that do not allow the light to pass through them are called as opaque objects. Examples are wood, stone and metals. For example, if you place a torch on before a wood, it does not allow the light to pass through them. So it is called as an opaque object. Now let's see about reflection of light. What is reflection of light? Reflection of light is nothing but the bouncing back of light rays when they pass through the plane or smooth surface. For example, if you take a plane mirror and place it before the sun, the light rays is reflected back. The light rays travels in a straight line and falls on the surface of the mirror and then reflected as a beam of light. A beam of light is nothing but a collection of light rays from the sun which is reflected. So, this is called as reflection of light. Now our next slide is light sources. How can you identify an object whether it is a transparent or translucent or opaque? Yes, the answer is light source. We can identify the object whether it is a transparent or translucent or opaque is only based on light source. The light source are either natural or artificial source. The objects that gives off light are called as light source. Now, the natural source of light are sun, stars, fireflies and jellyfish. The artificial source of lights are man-made objects like oil lamp, lighted candle and chimney or bulb or tube lights. Now we are going to see about reflection. What is reflection? When a light falls on a transparent material, it passes through it. However, when a light falls on a polished surface of an opaque material, it does not allow the light to pass through it. It bounces back. The bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called as reflection. Now we are going to see about images. What is an image? When you look into a mirror, you can see your own face on the mirror. That is called reflection. What you see is a reflection of your face in the mirror. We can also see reflection of the other objects that are in front of mirror. These reflections are formed by light and they are called as images.